Beneath the shimmering waves of our vast oceans lies a creature so enigmatic, so extraordinary, it seems almost otherworldly. Meet the octopus, the shape-shifting, color-changing escape artist of the deep. But is it just another marine animal? Or could it be something far more mysterious? Perhaps the most intelligent creature of the deep? Imagine an alien right here on Earth, with 8 arms, 3 hearts, blue blood, and the ability to change its shape, color, and even texture. The octopus might just be the closest thing to extraterrestrial life. Scientists have long marveled at its biology. But what if its true power lies not in its body, but its mind? Stories abound of octopuses recognizing human faces, solving puzzles, and even escaping aquariums. But what's behind these seemingly intelligent acts? Let's dive deeper. To understand the octopus is to enter a world unlike anything we know. Picture this. A creature that can shapeshift to squeeze through tiny cracks, vanish in an instant by mimicking its surroundings, and even regrow a lost limb. These are not the traits of a simple marine animal. They're the tools of a survivalist, an innovator, a thinker. I'll never forget the first time I interacted with an octopus. It wasn't just observing me. It seemed curious. It reached out with one of its arms, gently touching my hand, as if it was studying me. At that moment, I realized I wasn't just watching it, it was watching me too. And these encounters aren't rare. Around the globe, divers and scientists alike report moments that feel more like a meeting of minds than mere observation. Could these behaviors hint at a form of intelligence we've barely begun to comprehend? Octopuses have been documented solving problems with remarkable creativity. In one study, an octopus escaped from its tank by observing its environment and unscrewing a lid from the inside. In another, it learned to navigate a complex maze faster than some mammals. These are not just instincts, they are decisions, choices made in the moment. And yet the octopus remains a mystery. It evolved on an entirely different branch of the tree of life, separate from mammals, birds, and reptiles. Its intelligence is not a mirror of ours, but something entirely unique. Could it be that their alien-like traits are not just biological quirks, but the result of an evolutionary journey unlike any other? The more we uncover, the more questions arise. What drives their curiosity? How do they perceive the world? And what can we learn from them about the nature of intelligence itself? Unlike most animals, the octopus's brain isn't centralized. 2/3 of its neurons are in its arms, making each limb capable of independent thought. Imagine having 8 mini-brains working in harmony with your central one. This distributed intelligence allows the octopus to multitask with incredible efficiency. While one arm investigates a crevice for food, another can be planning an escape route. It's like having 8 supercomputers operating simultaneously. And then there's their problem-solving ability. An octopus once escaped from its tank by unscrewing the lid from the inside. It begs the question, how much do they understand about their surroundings? If you thought intelligence was their only superpower, think again. Octopuses are the ultimate masters of disguise. Using specialized skin cells called chromatophores, they can mimic the colors and patterns of their environment in the blink of an eye. But their mimicry goes beyond appearances. Some octopuses can imitate other animals, like venomous sea snakes or lionfish, to ward off predators. It's deception at its finest. It's not just their intelligence or physical abilities that captivate us, it's their personality. Octopuses display behaviors that suggest curiosity, playfulness, and even emotions. In one instance, an octopus in captivity formed a bond with a researcher, greeting them daily and engaging in playful antics. Could this mean they have feelings? But their emotional depth also reveals their vulnerability. Octopuses live solitary lives and most die shortly after reproducing. Despite their intelligence, their lifespan is heartbreakingly short, just 1 to 5 years. Throughout history, octopuses have inspired legends and myths, from the terrifying kraken of Norse mythology to tales of sea monsters pulling ships into the abyss. Humans have long been fascinated and frightened by these creatures. Today we know the truth is even more fascinating than fiction. The largest recorded octopus weighed over 600 pounds with an arm span of 30 feet. But what other secrets might they be hiding in the deep? So what can we learn from these incredible creatures? First, adaptability. The octopus's ability to transform and think on its feet or arms teaches us the power of flexibility in facing challenges. Second, the value of curiosity. Every interaction, every puzzle an octopus solves stems from its innate desire to explore and learn. And lastly, resilience. Despite their short lives, octopuses leave an indelible mark on the ecosystems they inhabit, reminding us to make the most of our time. For all we've discovered, the octopus remains a mystery. How did such intelligence evolve in a creature so unlike us? Could their alien-like qualities hold answers to questions we haven't yet thought to ask? One thing is certain, the more we learn about octopuses, the more they challenge our understanding of intelligence, life, and the incredible diversity of nature. And so the mystery of the octopus endures, inviting us to keep exploring, questioning, and marveling at the wonders of the deep. After all, who knows what secrets these brilliant creatures might still hold?